Welcome back, guys. This is KY Fire Studio, the channel number one from East Africa. We get stories from Africa and outside Africa continent. Today we are going to discuss about 9 facts about the Amazon rainforest. So the fact number one about Amazon rainforest, we refer it to as lung of the earth. Amazon rainforest is responsible for producing more than 20% of the world's oxygen, which is why it is many times referred to as lung of the earth. While it covers only 3.4 million square miles, less than 2% of the earth's surface, the Amazon produces more than 10 times that amount worth of the world's oxygen. Another thing about number two about Amazon rainforest, it spans across 9 countries. It's located in South America and accounting for just over half of the tropic primary forest. The Amazon rainforest spans across 9 countries, which include Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, Guyana, Suriname, and French Guyana. Number 3 fact about Amazon rainforest is the world largest rainforest, covering an area of approximately 2.4 million square miles, which is 6 million square kilometers. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest. It is larger than the next 2 rainforests, that is Congo Basin and tropical areas of Indonesia. Number 4 facts about Amazon rainforest. There is a river called Amazon River, which is the largest by volume. It discharges at an average discharge rate of about 209,000 cubic meters per second, representing approximately 20% of global river discharge to the ocean. The river covers about 2,000 miles, which is too long, but it is the second longest river in the world after River Nile. Another fact about Amazon rainforest is number 5, rich ecosystem. It is a home of 40,000 plant species, 3,000 fish species, 1,300 bird species, 430 mammals, and an amazing 2.5 million different insect species. It is safe to say you will find so many interesting and diverse creatures lacking the forest floor or moving from trees to trees. Number 6 about Amazon rainforest, the home of deadly creatures. So while many of the animals within Amazon rainforest are gentle and friendly, there are definitely a few that you will want to keep your distance from, such as a venomous snake, poisonous frog, jaguar, and flesh-eating piranhas. Number 7, it is referred to as dark forest floor. Due to tree thick canopies, that is top branches and the leaves, many parts of the forest have an almost black forest floor, as only 1% of the sunlight can actually make it through. The canopies are so thick that when it rains, it can take around 10 minutes until the water reaches the soil. Number 8 about Amazon rainforest is indigenous tribe. So in addition of being a home of thousands of the different trees and animal species, the Amazon rainforest also inhabited by 400 to 500 indigenous tribe. It is estimated that over 50 of these tribes have never had any contact with the outside world, showing that they are still part of the Amazon, that they remain untouched. Another thing is that is happening in Amazon rainforest is deforestation. Like over the past 40 years, 20% of the Amazon rainforest has already been cut down, and it is estimated that if deforestation continues at this rate, there might not be much left in the next 40 years.